Hello viewer and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover your Discord account without email or phone number. Let's start. First go to Discord apps. Here it says logging in password is invalid. I forget my password. Here the problem is I don't have access to my email anymore. And I don't have a phone number add to this account. So follow the steps. First open any browser. Go to support.discord.com. Then click the three lines at the upper right corner. Select Submit a request. Here you can see, what can we help you with? Click the box. Select Help and Support. Put any active email address. They will use it to contact you. Then choose a type of question. Select Forget email or password. Click Subject and type Account Recovery. Click Description. Describe what happened to your Discord account. You can add picture or screenshot if you have. Once done, click Submit. Our request has been sent. Just wait for their reply to your email. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.